On that note, we're going to make our Sunshine app 100 times better now by connecting it over the network to the Open Weather Map service. Open Weather Map provides a free weather data and forecast API, and the site is linked below so you can follow along. By scrolling through the site, you can see what type of data is available. It also has example queries, so you can click on this one to see what the weather is like in London. It includes a user-friendly description of the weather condition, such as broken clouds in this case. And we'll use this later in our app. For the full list of weather conditions, you can go back to the main page and scroll down, and then click on this link here for the weather condition codes. And on this page, we have the full list of weather conditions. It contains everything from scattered clouds to freezing rain, or even volcanic ash. I don't know about you, but hopefully that doesn't happen too often.